Bring it up, Bo.
Explain what led them there.
Well, Chris, the only thing we know right now for sure is that James told his parents that he was going hiking on New Year's Eve. Now, based on evidence that
Come on, bring it up.
police has collected, maps, hiking trails, things like that off of James' computer, they believe that he's on the North Shore Mountains. Now, North Shore Rescue, Chris, didn't get a call from BPD until today. That's because his parents actually didn't report he was missing until January 3rd. Now, crew members were choppered into Haynes Valley this morning, which is in the Lake Headwaters area. Again, this is based on the evidence that Vancouver police found on Jane's computer. Lots of snow on the ground over there. Conditions very challenging at this point. Now, Jane does have some hiking experience, but it sounds like he did not have the proper equipment. He did not have a tent on him. He was only traveling with a small backpack.
This is critical now. That's why we're going to throw everything we have at this right away, because again, he's been missing for 5 days. He's gone into an area that's closed, so there's not very much traffic out there. And we had a huge amount of snow that was dropped a couple days ago. And this individual is not very well prepared for the conditions.
Very challenging because of the cloud level. We're trying to
You gotta let go, like a dog.
To get our guys up a little higher and to search around, see if we can see any footprints or just any evidence of somebody around. Because of the rain the last 36 hours, it's washed a lot of the
Bring it up, Bo.
down, so no tracks
Bo.
are left. It's very muddy.
There you go, thanks.
Tough conditions to fly in, too. I mean, how
Ready? Go.
confident are search crews about the area that they're looking in?
Come on, Bo.
Chris, at this point, they really have no idea of where he is. There have been no sightings. The best evidence they have is this information off of Jane's computer and the fact that he told his parents he was going hiking. So North Shore Rescue Crews reiterating today that it is so important that you have to give details. Don't just say you're hiking. Let people know, your family, your friends, post it on social media. Let them know where you're going, the specific mountain, what time you plan to be back, and when you get back, make sure you post it or you call someone, tell someone that you've actually returned. Chris.
Oh, I hope they're nice.
Drop
Thanks
it.
very much for me.
Thanks, Bo.
Weather also creating problems south of the border. Heavy rain
Bo,
causing
right here.
flooding